If you are looking for websites to learn coding, there is a lot to choose from, but in this video, I am going to show you top 6 best websites to learn coding for free. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that whenever I publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Starting up from our number 1 is SoloLearn. SoloLearn, founded in 2014, it's well organized and user-friendly for absolute beginners to learn coding. They now offer tutorials for more than 15 programming languages and disciplines, including Python, JavaScript, PHP, Ruby, and many others. Their code playground is a great place to share code you've been working on and to collaborate with others. And if you ever need help, you can easily get answers from their community. In addition to learning from the web, you can also learn on the go with apps available for both iOS and Android. Next at our number 2 is General Assembly. This is focused on web development. You will learn the basics to create a modern-looking website through a series of projects using HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. There's a total of 5 projects to complete. Those include build a personal website, build a responsive blog theme, build a small business website, build a CSS robot, and build a Mad Libs game. With any project, you'll have slides in the upper left to click through with the code editor below that and the output appearing on the right. Rolling in at number 3 is the Odin Project. This is another site focused on web development, which is absolutely fantastic. For those of you just starting out, if you're the type that learns better by doing this set of courses, is full of projects in a logical order, beginning with simple scripts all the way up to building fully functional websites. While completing the courses, you'll learn about HTML and CSS, JavaScript, Get Ruby, Ruby on Rails, and databases. The Odin project is completely open source with more than 15 contributors working to improve the site. And at our number 4 is Exercism, is a website I just started using recently to learn a new language like the Odin project through open source. They offer code practice and, unlike most other sites, offers mentorship free of charge. They now have more than 50 different language tracks and over 3,000 exercises on their site. How it works is that you first choose the language you'd like to master, complete a coding challenge, review the solution with your mentor, unlock new exercises, and then at the very end you'll complete the language track with an understanding of the fundamental concepts. After selecting your language track on Exercism, you'll get a description of that track along with the number of mentors available to help you out. Our number 5 pick is Udemy. It is an online learning platform most of you are probably familiar with. If you want to learn a new skill, they have thousands of courses in many categories. While it's primarily known for its paid courses, you can also find a ton of free programming courses as well. But finding the free stuff isn't easy to find the free courses. You could do a search here at the top of the language or go to categories here in the upper left. And in the development category, go to the subcategory of interest to you. In this example, I'll go to programming languages and select Python. You'll now see a bunch of paid courses for that programming language. Scroll down the page until you see the filters on the left. And there they are. Go to price and check the free option with 226 courses. In this example, you should have no trouble finding a course to take. It looks like, based on the reviews, that Introduction to Python Programming is an excellent course for beginners. Last on our top 6 is Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp is a completely free nonprofit whose goal is to make learning, web development accessible to anyone through various challenges. You will learn several skills which include JavaScript, HTML5, CSS3, and many others. These lessons are laid out nicely with the instructions on the left, the code editor in the middle, and the output to the right there. Community format, Free Code Camp is one of the best. This is where you can get help from other developers with any of your coding issues. Thanks for watching. You'll find the links to the sites mentioned in the description. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share with others. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest updates and other tech-related stuff here on Mr. Lim.